Welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to bring a SQL Server database table into Excel worksheet. Okay. So now what I have here is a blank worksheet, and here I want to bring a SQL Server database table. I'll show you what is the table I'm going to bring. I'll go to SQL Server Management Studio. You can see here I have the server is here, laptop KH61GH898 slash SQL Express. This is my server name, and what I have here is the database ISRPTS. Okay, this is my database name, and the table which I am going to work on is the ISEMP. Okay, the data is, you can see here, the data is employee ID and name of the employee, and his salary, and the country. Okay, this is my SQL Server database table, and I have about 154 records, and I'm going to bring this table into the Excel workbook. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, I am going to must go to the data tab. In data tab there is get external data menu, and within get external data menu you have from access from web and from text. There is one thing, you also have it from other sources. Okay, click on other sources. You can see it is from SQL Server. Create a connection to a SQL Server table. Import data into Excel as a table or pivot table or reporter, pivot table reporter. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring SQL Server table. Okay, so press OK. Then now it is asking for the server name. I already shown you here the server name is laptop KH61GH98 and SQL Plus. So I'm going to type in the server name. Okay, Express KH SQL Express. Now I press OK. Minus OK. You can see here, use Windows authentication. This server and the database I am using the Windows authentication, so I use the default one as Windows authentication. And if you go here, select the database that contains the data you want. I want my database is ISRPTS. Okay, once you go there, connect to a specific table, or connect to enable multiple tables. Okay, so this could be anything you can select. I am connecting to a specific table. Okay, so connect to a specific table. You see the keyword connect. Okay, so now ISEMP, I just click on. Now it is giving the ISEMP ODC, the file data connection file, and friendly name. I'm trying to give a friendly name ISEMP. Okay, and search keywords, and all this is for finding the table names, and we give only the friendly name, and always attempt to use this file to refresh data. When you are refreshing data, you want to use the same ODC connection. Okay, so I just finish. You already have a file name this. Do you want to replace it? Because this one I already tried for other example, so it is having the same file name. Okay, I just put yes. and now it is telling import data. What kind of select how you want to view this data in your workbook, whether it is a table, pivot table, report, or what. First this example I use it as a table, okay, and put it in the existing worksheet. Okay, I just put okay. Now you can see the table is here. Okay, okay, so the table is 103 country, and how many records you have? About 154 records. Okay, so this is the employee table, and you can able to successfully bring it here. Okay, so what I will do is I just I try to edit the table here. I take this one as just 3 or 300. Okay, so I am editing this record, the first record, and see whether it is changed in our Excel. No, but it is not changed. But what we need to do is we need to do refresh. See, it changed to 300. Okay, so hope this example helps you to understand how to bring data from SQL Server table. And now we will do one more thing. What we are going to do is we are going to do we'll change this one to 200. Now see whether it's new query. So I start from IS or PTS dot IS plus EMP TBO dot AS.emp. Execute. You can see here it is 300 still, and what you changed in the Excel, it's not reflecting in the database, but when it is changed in the database, it automatically reflects. It is not automatically, it could be reflected here by refresh command. Right click, refresh. Now you can see that 200 is going to change it to 300. See, 300. You see, so the data is whatever you change it there, it is reflected here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to do the same exercise with a different thing here. One more test we will do. Other sources, SQL Server, same thing, and go there. Instead of connect, I just enabled okay, connect to a specific file, then only enable multiple selection, because the file I just check connect, enable the multiple selection, and go for so only when you connect to a specific table, then only you can enable the selection of multiple tables. So now what I am doing is ISEMP plus, or probably I will check for 2 tables, events and IS student. Okay, then finish. then I am putting into table. You can see what is happening here is that it is creating a two, because we selected two database tables, so it is creating two worksheets to display both the tables. Okay, so it is taking, because one of the table is bigger, if I'm not wrong. See, this is the event type, and this is the name greater. Okay, and these two tables are coming from the database. Okay, so this is the way you can bring SQL tables data into your Excel workbook and do your analysis. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, so that it will be a great help for me to help and encouragement for me to upload other videos, and God bless you.